Real estate marketing, as you know it, is dead. But don't worry, there's still hope. Buyers haven't just disappeared. People still want houses, right? Of course. The attention has simply shifted online, and with the right approach, you can be closing just as many deals, if not more, from the internet as you used to from traditional methods. We see results on a daily basis from the agents inside of our Evolved Agents Mastermind that incorporate Facebook ads as part of their strategy for getting new clients. Brenda Kay joined and applied our AAA system and saw incredible results, something she's never seen before, in the first 3 days of joining.
Here's the thing. Within the first 3 days, I had 4 face-to-face appointments booked. I have never seen a system, although they all promise to, but I've never seen a system that works with this.
Another one of our agents, Jeremy Silber from Florida, closed 2 contracts in a single day from Facebook ads. Anyway, I could sit here all day and show you results, but that doesn't help you, now does it? So let's break down why you need to be running Facebook ads as part of your strategy as a real estate agent getting clients. Facebook ads aren't just another traffic source to consider. They're the whole damn game. Facebook isn't just a platform for your grandma to share cookie recipes or your cousin's beach photos. With over 2.8 billion users, a lot of those being here in North America, Facebook's a goldmine. It's a powerhouse. And it's your ticket to ride the roller coaster of explosive lead generation. This is a superpower for generating inbound leads that come to you instead of hustling around the clock trying to find them. Fact number 2. You ever heard about Facebook's laser sharp targeting? This ain't your ordinary shot in the dark targeting. And contrary to popular belief, Facebook ads isn't like putting a billboard out there for just anyone to see. Facebook's algorithm has hundreds of data points on everybody, including their age, location, gender, shopping behaviors, interests, you name it. Want to target homeowners who love gardening in Miami from ages 50 to 60? Bang, you got it. This technology is sitting there waiting to be used by you. And guess what? If you don't figure it out, your competition will. Fact number 3. Did you know that real estate ads have the highest click-through rates on Facebook? That's right. Your perfect client might just be one click away. At Evolved Agents, we optimize for this even further with perfectly crafted, tried and true scripts and ad formats that are available to all of our students inside of our mastermind. We actually give away our AAA system completely for free at evolvedagents.com. And if you'd like our help implementing it, we'd love to invite you to join our mastermind. Fact number 4, ROI. And that's why we're all here, right? But did you know that the average cost per click for real estate ads on Facebook is a meager 55 cents? That's less than your morning coffee. It's practically raining leads out here. And at Evolved Agents, we're getting quality leads for just $3 a pop. Drew just joined and he got 160 leads his first month for less than $500.
Evolved Agents has done an outstanding job for me just in the first month. I've had about 160 leads generated.
And Drew's not alone, guys. Facebook ads are a goldmine for leads if you know what you're doing. Fact number 5, Facebook ads are not a one-trick pony. With various ad formats, carousel, video, slideshow, dynamic ad formats, you can showcase your real estate offers like never before. So yes, the performance of your ads are predicated on the inputs, like the ad creative, headline, copy, call to action. There are countless free tutorials teaching you how to set everything up yourself here on this channel, or I welcome you to book a call with myself and my team at Evolved Agents to see what kind of results that we can get for you personally, just like all of our amazing students. Here's the deal. You can either sit back and watch the revolution, or you can take it by the horns and ride it. And with Evolved Agents, you're never alone on this wild ride. We'll show you exactly how to harness the untapped potential of Facebook ads step by step, no sugarcoating. Ready to rip up the rulebook and join the ranks of the Evolved Agents? Well, come book a call with us. We look forward to chatting with you.